Right then, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a new product video for you. So we've got a 3 litre Amarok in the workshop, but this product will apply to quite a few of the other 3 litre engines. Previously, to do oil cooler on these, which to be fair in some of the hotter climate countries and stuff like that, it is well needed, especially with the Amaroks. If you tow in, the oil temperatures can get kind of well up to 120 degrees, even more sometimes, so the oil cooler is a necessity in those countries. And to do that, it would normally take one of these plates, which would have your fittings on there to your hose, but to fit that plate was an absolute nightmare. So if we delve deeper into this V6 engine, to fit that plate you'd have to take the inlet off, the EGR cooler off, and it basically fits right in the bottom of the V. And then you've still got the task of routing all your hoses, obviously mounting your cooler and getting it all set up basically. But now we've got a much simpler solution, which is this. So this is a similar item to what I've seen quite a few companies run on, like BMWs and things like that, but all you got to do to install this is remove that cap on the oil filter. So literally unscrew that, screw that in place, you've got a nice new filter as well, and then in theory it's pretty straightforward from there. You've still got your cooler to mount obviously behind your grill, whether position you want to mount that in, to get the most amount of airflow to it. But other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. So hopefully this installation takes the job from maybe 6-7 hours down to an hour. Josh is nodding his head, but I'm not sure if he's confident. But it's going to drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to fit the oil coolers on these 3 litre engines. So we'll let Josh crack on and see how long it actually takes. So what lovely weather we have today to be doing this video outside, but the oil cooler is now fitted. A very nice looking piece of kit. All the hoses are installed and we've got the cooler just behind the grill as well. Not ideal condition to be testing this, because realistically today it's a very good chance that the oil's not going to get that warm anyway. But I think at some point we will be fitting one of these onto our 3 litre vehicles. Obviously they do a lot of towing, so we'll be able to do a bit more back-to-back testing to see the oil temperatures before without the cooler and then after with this cooler fitted. But pretty confident that this is going to work very well. It's not thermostatic, but if you did want to, you could put an inline thermostat just in one of these hoses, and then obviously it'll only open when it actually reaches a certain temperature. Allows the oil just to get up to that temperature a little bit quicker. So we're going to go back inside now, out of the snow. Kind of got his fingers crossed that it is going to settle, to be honest, and yeah, and then we can get out and do some off-roading in it. So thanks again for watching, see you in the next video.